Welcome to Me and Halo, where we uncover the best beauty secrets, one product at a time. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect foundation for your skin type, you're in the right place. Because let's be real, the wrong foundation can ruin your whole look. But today we're fixing that. In our last video, we gave you a complete guide to the season, breaking down all the beauty essentials we'll be covering. And today, we're officially kicking off episode 1, helping you find your perfect foundation match. Ever bought a foundation that looked amazing in store but turned cakey or patchy on your skin? The secret to flawless makeup isn't just about the formula, it's about finding the right foundation for your exact skin type. And that's what we're uncovering today. Before we get started, drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with foundation? Too oily? Too dry? Too patchy? Let's talk about it. But here's the real question. Which foundation truly fits your skin type? The answer might surprise you. Should you go for powder, liquid, or stick foundation? Matte or dewy? Water-based or oil-based? And which brands actually work for your skin type? We'll break it all down in this video. Finding the best foundation for each skin type. Step 1. How to know your skin type. Before we talk about foundation, let's quickly identify your skin type. Here's a simple test. Wash your face, leave it bare for an hour, then check how it feels. Oily skin? If your face looks shiny all over, you have oily skin. Dry skin? If your skin feels tight and flaky, you have dry skin. Combination skin? If your T-zone, forehead, nose, chin is oily but your cheeks are dry, you have combination skin. Normal skin? If your skin feels balanced, not too oily, not too dry, you're lucky. You have normal skin. Step 2. Best foundations for each skin type. For oily skin, go for matte, oil-free, water-based foundations. Avoid heavy cream foundations or oil-based formulas. Best types: powder foundations, oil control liquid foundations. Good picks: Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, Fenty Pro Filt'r, L'Oreal Infallible 24H Matte. For dry skin, go for hydrating, dewy, cream-based foundations. Avoid matte or powder foundations, they can make skin look flaky. Best types: liquid, serum, or cushion foundations. Good picks: NARS Sheer Glow, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, L'Oreal True Match. For combination skin, go for lightweight, natural finish foundations. Avoid foundations that are too matte or too dewy. Best types: satin finish or semi-matte foundations. Good picks: Estee Lauder Double Wear, IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream, NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. For normal skin, go for almost any foundation. Best types: medium coverage, natural finish. Good picks: Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, Dior Backstage Foundation, L'Oreal Fresh Wear. Application tips for a flawless finish. Oily skin? Use a damp beauty sponge for an airbrushed finish. Dry skin? Apply with fingers for a natural glow. Combination skin? Use a foundation brush and blend well. Normal skin? You can use any method. Here's a pro tip. Always use a primer suited for your skin type before applying foundation. For oily skin, go for a mattifying primer. For dry skin, use a hydrating primer. And never skip setting your foundation. Use a setting spray or powder depending on your skin's needs. In the next episode, we're testing mascaras that promise instant volume. But do they really work? Stay tuned. Finding the right foundation can make or break your makeup look, but with the right knowledge, you'll never have to guess again. Now, tell me in the comments, what's your go-to foundation? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a beauty breakdown from me and Halo. See you in the next one.